today we've travelled 2 hours south of Bangkok down to Pattaya. We've arrived here by Grab taxi, which took about 2 hours and cost us 2,000 baht, or approximately 80 Australian dollars, which is a pretty good bargain. We've chosen to stay at LK The Empress here in Pattaya, which is very fancy indeed, and we're quite impressed so far. We'll be here for a couple of days, so join with us as we tour around and check this place out.
Can you hear me? SOS. Help me put my mind to rest. 2 times click and I'm acting low. I'm weak and I'm
Welcome to our room. How fabulous does this look? So grand and very French style. So beautiful king size bed, so fancy. It's beautiful. Wall wardrobe. Space. Safe over here. Bar fridge. Tea coffee making facilities. TV. A bathroom with a bathtub. And the best part is, this place is only just over 50 Australian dollars per night.
Could be more than just part-time lovers. I can rob you for my sleep. As my thoughts begin to bleed. I let go, but I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know how, but I need to now. Help me put my mind to rest. 2 times click and I'm acting low. A pound of weed and a bag of gold. I can rob you for my sleep. As my thoughts begin to leave. I let go, but I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know how, but I need to now. I can feel your love.
So our first impressions of Pattaya are that it is indeed a very colourful place to go. Reminds me a lot of Patong with Bangla Road. The walking street's much the same. It's all in your face, and yeah, but we had a good night. We just sat in the bar and had a couple of drinks, did some people watching. Yeah, and tomorrow we hope to show you a different side of Pattaya.